Okay, now we move to quality function deployment, whereby the first step we need to identify what customer needs and wants, and then the second step we need to identify how the goods and services will satisfy customer wants. So what are the features, what are uh, the the elements in the product that can satisfy the wants from the customer, and relates customer wants to product how, and identify relationship between the firms how, and we want to know the develop importance rating, and evaluate competing product, and the last part to compare performance to the desirable technical attributes. Okay, QFD ni normally we use in product development. Sounds like very technical. Let's see this house of quality, QFD. Alright, so this is just for your additional information. So we are not asking you to do all this rating part. So it is the idea how product will be is developed, or service is developed. Okay, so as you can see here, why it called this is called house. So uh, we have to combine what customers want, and what how to satisfy customer wants, and they have their own relationship metrics, and we want to see how the customer can be satisfied with their wants ni. And then kita akan tengok juga the importance rating at all these sections. Okay, and also we have target value and technical evaluations. Okay, let's go through what is the example of house of quality. Okay, so this is just for as you can see here, this is examples of camera. We want to produce camera. So the first action is to construct a house of quality. Alright, and okay, first we want to know what the customer wants. So customer needs product that lightweight, camera that easy to use, reliable, easy to hold steady, and color corrections. Okay, these are the things that customer wants lah. The easy camera, lightweight. So the highest rating is reliable. So customer wants product that can be used for a long time. Okay, the next step after we list down what customer wants, now how to satisfy customer by having lightweight lightweight camera, by having and durable. So these are the criteria that need to be done, or need to be developed uh, in the camera. So first, low electricity requirement, aluminium components, so that camera will be lightweight, and autofocus, because it is more it is easy to customer to use the functions of the camera. So we have autofocus, auto exposure, paint palette, and ergonomic design for easy to hold steady, so that kamera tu kita boleh guna dengan kita boleh pegang dengan senang, tak lenguh kalau, then it is more lightweight lah. Okay, and then how we do is that the third step is relationship of relationship metric, which is we set the high, low, medium relationship based on the criteria that customer needs and wants to. Okay, next step we do the relationship between the things that we can do for the for that for camera, for to fulfill the customer wants. So here again we have the relationship metrics both at this side. Okay, then the next step, we put the important ratings lah, the weight, the weighted rating. And then the next step, how well do competing product meets customer wants. So we have this company A and company B. Then kita compare juga dengan the other company. So we get G is for good, P is for poor. So easy to use. This company have a good for easy to use. But for company B poor. And then the next step, we have all these uh, all these attributes and evaluations on the technical part between company A, B and us lah, our company. Okay, this comparison, as we can see here, company A got a good evaluation, but company B is fair. And also for us, this is our company, this is G is good. Okay, so that is the part of house of quality. Example, this is the completed house of quality. Alright, some of the house quality uh, is used in the sequence. So based on the design lah, based on the certain characteristic, certain department. So dia boleh jadi in that particular, in any particular areas. Okay, and alright, next we move to organizing for product development. First, historical. In product development, it involves historically, which is distinct departments, different departments, and duties and responsibility are defined and difficult to foster forward thinking. Historical ni dia inherent. Kalau previously it is practices by previous people. So it is dibawa ataupun it is act as a culture ataupun just ikut saja. So this kind of historical thinking is kita panggil it is hard to create creative thinking lah. So kita ikut yang pattern lama. Okay, then the second one in developing product, so we can work in a champion. So product managers drive the product through the product development systems and related organizations. And also this one is as a champion product manager, dia akan lead dia punya subordinates and people under her or his department lah. Okay, the next one, team approach. And normally this mega company or giant company, they will practice this practices. Team approach ni dia based on the team. They have a special team on this development of product. So for example, they will produce a car. Okay, so in one car, in the productions of car, so they have different function from different it have members from different kita panggil disciplines of functions lah. Ada marketing functions dalam tu, ada designer, ada engineering. So all these people will work together in as one thing. Okay, and we have a Japanese whole organization approach whereby they have no divisions. So in one place they will work together lah. So dia tak ada bilik-bilik lah. Kalau konsep office in Malaysia ni, kita tahu kalau pegawai mesti dalam bilik. But then in Japan, dia punya approach is no organization division whereby all these people will work together in one place. Even dia punya engineers, they work uh, in one areas, in one project, in one place. Okay, now we move to manufacturability and value engineering. So these are the benefits of manufacturability and value engineering. First, it will reduce complexity of product. So we can identify what kind of product that we can use, what kind of materials that we can use. Manufacturability ni untuk jadikan satu produk tu more easier, more functional and lagi simple tapi boleh digunakan. Alright, and second one, reductions of environmental impact. So we can reduce certain part that do not need for certain product tu. Okay, so it is more simple product with a simple. Sometimes it will create it is created from waste. Maknanya it is recyclable. Okay, additional standardizations of product and improve functional aspect of product. Tambah lagi functions and improve job design and job safety of certain product and improve maintainability or serviceability of the product. Maknanya senang untuk kita buat maintenance or boleh guna dalam masa yang lama lah once we can have this kind of features. And also robust design. Robust design ni we can use for a longer time, or we add something new on the design, but then we can use it for a longer time and it will not affect the functions